Success is something that we all aspire and we all pursue. It is the want and desire of every man or woman to be successful. We all work towards success, and it is an innate ability of a human being to be successful or to be ambitious to be successful. Before we begin, thank you for tuning into Top EVT. This is me, Jamie, and today's topic is how to be successful in life. In the previous video, we learned about the concept of success and how it is different for different people. We also learned how to define success in your own life. Now, in this video, we will go towards how you can achieve the success that your personal life needs. Once you have set the goal for success, how can you achieve success in your life? If you have not seen the part 1 of this video, I would strongly advise you to first watch that part and then come back to this part so that you can grasp the concept of this video. Now, there are two things that we need to understand. There is something called as being successful to yourself, and there is something called as being successful to everyone around you. Now, at a certain level of achievement, I can call myself successful to myself, or that might be the limit of what I want to achieve. That might not be the same that the people might need to call you successful. As we established in the previous video, the main goal that we need is to be happy with the success that we have. So don't cloud your vision with what other people think of success. You are working for success in your own life. So if it is achieving something to a certain point, that is the limit of your success. You do not have to work more than that, because any more work that you are doing, it's not for your own self or your own personal needs. There can be changes in situations wherein your concept of success might change, or it might actually go beyond what you wanted to achieve when you started your journey. That can happen. Don't worry about it right now before you start the journey. Don't worry about the end result before we even start the journey. This is the reason why many people don't take this road. Once we know what we have to do to achieve success in our own lives, then the next thing that we have to do is start your journey. Whatever it is that has to be done, whatever your path is, just start your journey towards your goal that you have set right now. Many people are not able to take this first step towards their path of their journey in life. Many people think that I have to change my lifestyle a lot, or it has to be a radical change to go towards this life goal, so I better not go for it. The next thing we need to understand is perseverance is the key to success. So once you have started your journey, you have taken the steps, there will be obstacles that come your way. It could be temporary obstacles, and there could be certain obstacles that appear to be permanent, but life has no permanent obstacles. There is always a way over it, or there is a way around it. Perseverance is the key to success. Once we understand this, there is no obstacle that can stop us ever. The next thing we need to understand is try till you succeed. This again falls into perseverance, but we need to understand that no matter what happens, this is your life goal. This is what you want from life. We have already decided that this is what you want from life. So don't let anything come between you and your happiness. Work towards the happiness that you need. The truth of the matter is, there is no shortcut for hard work. You will have to work hard towards your success. The only thing that can help you somewhat is having a mentor in your life. The video link for importance of mentorship is in the video description below. Another thing that you can run out of is motivation. For that, there is a video for unlimited motivation, the key to unlimited motivation. That also is in the video link below. So what are you waiting for? Just go out there and achieve the success that you need to be happy in life. Subscribe to Top EVT for similar videos. Take care.